क्लास 10th सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स। चैप्टर 3 पार्ट 3 पार्ट 4। टॉपिक लीनियर इक्वेशन ऑफ टू वेरिएबल्स। फार्मूला ऑफ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन if given two equation age a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then solution of equation is expressed by x upon b1 b2 c1 c2 y upon c1 c2 a1 a2 1 upon a1 a2 b1 b2. First of all, we multiply by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Similarly, c1 multiply a2 c1 a2 minus c2 a1. Similarly, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Exercise number 3.3. Question number 1. Find the value of x and y in following equation. Two x plus y minus 35 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 65 equal to 0. Equation first and equation second. Use of formula x upon b1 b2 c1 c2 y upon c1 c2 a1 a2 1 upon a1 a2 b1 b2. Then x upon, here it is a1, let 1 it is b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. X upon b1 b2, value of b1 equal to 1, value of b2 equal to 4, value of c1 equal to minus 35, value of c2 equal to minus 65 equal to y upon value of c1 equal to minus 35 minus 65, value of a1 equal to 2 and value of a2 equal to 3, 1 upon 2 3, value of b1 equal to 1, value of b2 equal to 4. First of all, we multiply by 1 to minus 65. Then x upon minus 65 minus 140 minus equal to y. Multiply 35 minus 35 and 3. 3 5 ja 15 minus 105, symbol minus 130 equal to 1, 8 minus 3, x upon minus 65 plus 140, y upon minus 105 plus 130 1 upon 5 x upon 140 65 75 y upon 25 1 upon 5. X upon 75 equal to 1 upon 5 and y upon 25 equal to 1 upon 5. 5 cross multiply 5x equal to 75, then x equal to 15. Cross multiply 5y equal to 25, y equal to 5. Answer x equal to 15, y equal to 5. Question number second. Question number 2. X plus y equal to a plus b. X plus y equal to a plus b. Ax minus by equal to a square minus b square. Equation first, equation second. Let 1 1. Use a formula x upon b1 b2 c1 c2 y upon c1 c2 a1 a2 minus 1 upon a1 a2 b1 b2. X upon value of a1 equal to 1 a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 b1 b2 1 minus b c1 c2 a plus b y upon a plus b a square minus b square 1a minus 1 upon 1a b1 b2 value of b1 equal to 1 b2 equal to minus b multiply by 1 to a square minus b square, x upon a square minus b square minus a minus minus ab minus b square y upon a square plus ab minus a square minus b square equal to minus 1 upon minus b minus a, x upon plus ab minus minus cancel, x upon a common a plus b, y upon b common a plus b, 1 upon a plus b, x upon a plus b equal to 1 upon a plus b, and y upon b a plus b equal to 1 upon a plus b. A plus b cancel, x equal to a, y equal to b. Answer x equal to a, y equal to b. Question number 5.